Begin tonight with new alarm bells over COVID-19 in the country. So in the last 24 hours, the positivity rate has jumped to a worrying 18%, sparking fears of a new wave. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says that the current spike has been driven in large part by the politicians. Chemutai Goin begins our coverage with a looming crisis.
The latest spike coming nearly 500 days since COVID-19 was detected in the country. The ministry now alarmed that the virus that had appeared subdued for several months is bouncing back with a vengeance. On 22nd July, the positivity rate recorded was 13.7%. The next day, 23rd July, it was 11.4%. 24th July, the rate was 13.9%. 25th, 12.2%. 26th, 13.5%. 27th, 14.2%. And in the last 24 hours, the number has jumped to an alarming 18%. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says there is a reason to worry.
People are talking about a fourth wave. We never actually got out of the third wave. So it is so far as we are experiencing currently a spike in the country with about a positivity rate of about 11 to 14%. And therefore, we continue to be careful.
Kagwe adding that the prevailing situation has been worsened by the highly infectious Delta variant that is also resulting in more severe symptoms.
The current one now we are experiencing is the Delta variant, which is proving to be difficult and very virulent in terms of management. It is our hope that you'll be able to contain it.
With many health facilities already stretched as the number of those requiring hospitalization rises, Kagwe is pointing an accusing finger at the political class, blaming the increasing gatherings for the upsurge.
We are appealing to our political class to please be sensitive to the situation that is currently in play as far as Kenya is concerned. We are also asking the citizens that please avoid those political gatherings, because nobody is forced to go to a political gathering.
The CS now wants county governments to put up oxygen plants to forestall the looming shortage.
We can already see an increase in demand of ICU beds. We can see an increase of demand in oxygen requirements. As you remember, we had gone down to less than 100 people in needing oxygen around the country. And as of yesterday, we are closing to nearly 400.
In his last address to the nation on the status of coronavirus in the country, President Uhuru Kenyatta warned that the government may be forced to review some of the relaxed containment measures if the COVID situation in the country deteriorated. The last 24 hours may be a trigger for tough times ahead. During the period, a total of 1,006 new infections were reported out of a sample size of 5,584. 13 deaths were also recorded, pushing the death toll closer to the 4,000 mark. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV.